Today on Tools Met, here's a quick Amazon review of the bandsaw machine. Users love its strong motor, smooth cutting performance, and accurate control. The continuous loop blade makes curve cuts, straight cuts, and detailed shapes easy, even for beginners. Many reviewers mention the low vibration, quick blade changes, and solid build quality that feels durable for long-term use. Safety features like the blade guard and stable work surface also get positive feedback. Overall, Amazon buyers say this bandsaw offers excellent value for woodworking, DIY projects, and professional workshop tasks.
Today, we're exploring one of the most versatile and reliable cutting tools in any woodworking shop, the bandsaw machine. This powerful machine is built to deliver smooth, accurate, and controlled cutting performance, making it a favorite for beginners, hobbyists, and professional woodworkers alike. The bandsaw uses a continuous loop blade that moves at high speed, allowing you to cut through hardwood, softwood, and even thick material with ease. What makes this machine stand out is its flexibility. Whether you're shaping curves, slicing straight lines, or crafting detailed patterns, the bandsaw lets you work with precision and confidence. Its ability to cut tight curves is one of the key reasons woodworkers love it, providing smooth edges and clean finishing with minimal effort. The blades used in a bandsaw come in many widths and tooth styles. Thin blades are ideal for detailed curved cuts, while wider blades handle heavy-duty straight cutting. This makes the machine perfect for furniture making, wood art, custom shaping, and general workshop cutting tasks. With the proper blade tension and speed setting, the cutting results are consistently accurate every single time. Safety plays a major role when working with a bandsaw. Always ensure the blade guard is adjusted correctly, wear protective goggles, and keep your hands at a safe distance from the blade. Many users appreciate how stable and low vibration this machine is, making it easier to maintain control during long cutting sessions. A solid table surface and strong frame also help keep your work steady and secure as you cut. Today's demo, you're watching a smooth curved cut, which showcases the true power of the bandsaw. Notice how effortlessly the blade follows the design, allowing the woodworker to shape the material exactly the way they want. This kind of control is what makes the bandsaw essential for creative woodworking projects, from decorative pieces to precise joinery. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is efficiency. It reduces wood waste while increasing accuracy, saving both time and material. Many woodworkers say the bandsaw is the backbone of their workshop because it handles so many different cutting tasks with ease. Whether you're redesigning furniture, making templates, or shaping raw wood into a finished form, this tool delivers every time.